stop the bleeding, okay? What's that?
That a truck.
Yes, that's a truck.
That's a truck.
It's a truck.
Is that a truck?
Yes. Okay, she just had surgery, so I didn't know how. Okay, thank you. Okay, now we'll go home, and you want to lay on the couch? I think that's where I need to put you. I will put you on the couch for a minute.
We'll take the elevator.
Yeah, because the elevator's not working right now, so we're going to put you on the couch.
Why is the elevator working?
Because Daddy didn't fix it last night.
He's stupid.
Don't say that.
You're going to be mad at you.
Can you not fix the elevator?
Yeah, I know. I know.
I know you're excited to see DJ.
Who?
Who is he? That's Michael. That's your baby brother.
I have my shirt over my mouth, so she don't know what I
That's
am.
my only child.
No, you're not an only child.
Let me see boys. I don't know him.
Yes, you do know him.
You don't know me. I
Do
know
you know who I am? Who am I?
No.
Yes, you do.
You do too.
Sissy. Come on, we're gonna go home and go lay down, okay? Keep that gauze back there. And bite down on it, honey. So it'll stop the bleeding.
What's this?
I like it. Maybe got my tongue.
No, they didn't cut your tongue out.
I want them.
What?
I felt my bed.
You what?
I felt my mouth feels like
Don't spit. Don't do that.
I'm not spitting.
Because you can't spit or rinse or
Ah,
drink through
wait.
the straw. We're home. Don't open the door yet. I'm going to have to come get you out. Don't open the door because you'll fall out.
I'm so close.
What?